We take water for granted. Every time we turn on the faucet, we know water will be there. But imagine a world where you turned on the faucet and nothing came out.
Working for NGOs in Indian cities, I've noticed firsthand that basic needs like water are often provided in short supply on unpredictable schedules.
In the 1 year I spent researching intermittent water supplies in cities in India, mothers have told me stories of having to stay home from funerals or even from voting in order to wait for the water to arrive. Many families leave taps on all night and just wait until they hear the sound of water to wake them up and go and collect it. When I asked some households when the water would come next, they said, maybe today, maybe tomorrow.
When people notice water availability in his or her area, the user will inform NextDrop via mobile phone that water is present. Using this crowdsourced information and a prediction-based model, NextDrop will not only inform users in the same area of water availability, but will also predict and inform people in other areas when they can expect water. NextDrop can also work with utilities to push the latest schedule information to its customers.
We have created NextDrop, a system that provides the public access to information on water delivery. I work on SMS technology that has delivered information to millions of users and understand the realities of building such a system.
And so I think the real advantage of the NextDrop approach is actually in its simplicity and the kind of nuance it brings into that. In particular, its use of SMS as kind of a low-cost distribution channel. So with the recent proliferation of mobile phones, the fact that so many people have these devices, how can it be used as a tool to both inform and empower? And I think NextDrop is a perfect example of that.
With my background in user experience design, I'm confident that NextDrop will provide a solution that's informative, intuitive, and easy to use.
My work with the Government of India and the World Food Programme on the delivery of public services in India showed me the immense value of improving access to information. NextDrop has a highly scalable model that could create new channels of communication between service providers and their customers.
Prior to coming to Berkeley, I directed a microfinance program in a small nonprofit in Peru, where I witnessed the hidden barriers between low-income residents and public services. One of the things that excites me about NextDrop is the chance to bring transparency and accountability into the system.
Each individual player that's on this team brings a unique core set to the features and functionality of what's needed and what's wanted in order to make it a success. And just by reading the biographies of each individual, I think you'll learn that rather quickly.